IT, TPS, first chapter, Advanced Web Design. Fill in the blanks. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The dash dash is an evolving language with different versions supporting different features. Answer: HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Dash dash is currently used because it supports mobile technology. Answer: HTML. The dash dash tag is used to create a form tag, open form tag, open close form tag. Input type dash dash defines a color picker, color. Input type dash dash define a field for entering a number. Answer: number. Input type dash dash define a field for entering a URL inform resource location. Input type dash dash defines an image as a submit button. Answer: image. Input type dash dash defines a type picker with the year, month and day. Answer: date. Input type dash dash define a field for an email address. Answer: email. Input type dash dash define a month and year control in format as a YYYMM. Answer: month. Input type dash dash define the range control. Answer: range. Input type dash dash define a date picture that includes the year, month, day and time. That is the date, time dash local. Input type dash dash define a control for entering a time. Answer: time. Input type dash dash define a week and year control. Answer: week. Input type dash dash define a week and year control. Answer: week. Input type define a text field for entering a search string. Answer: search. Input type dash dash define a field select type and a browse button for file upload. Answer: file. Input type dash dash used to define a input field that should contain a telephone number. Answer: TEL, tel. The dash dash attribute of input tag specifies that an input field should be disabled. Answer: disable. The dash dash attribute of input tag specifies the maximum value for a input field. Answer: max. The dash dash attribute of input tag specifies the minimum value for a input field. Answer: min, min. The dash dash attribute of input tag specify a regular expression to check the input values. Answer: pattern. The dash dash attribute of input tag specifies that an input field is a read only. Answer: read only. The dash dash attribute of input tag acts as a temporary file showing the purpose of a text field without requiring a label tag. Answer: placeholder. The dash dash attribute of input tag specifies that an input field is required. Answer: required. The dash dash attribute of input tag specifies whatever format or input field should have auto completed on or off. Answer: auto complete. The dash dash attribute of a input tag specifies that the input field should automatically got focus when the page loaded. Answer: autofocus. The dash dash attribute of a input tag specifies the height and width of input type image. Answer: height and width. The dash dash attribute of input tag specifies that the user is allowed to enter more than one value in the input element. Answer: multiple. The dash dash attribute of input tag is used to identify the HTML element uniquely through the document object model. Answer: ID. The dash dash attribute of input tag is used to apply CSS styles to the individual input element. Example: answer: class. The dash dash tag describes except of contents of a web page. Answer: meta. The dash dash tag is used to search engine To search information that is provided with the web page. Answer meta tag. Meta dash dash will not be displayed on the web page. Answer metadata. Dash dash tag is a singular tag which carries information within its attributes. Example. Answer meta. The dash dash attribute of a meta tag specifies the name of the metadata. Answer name. The dash dash attribute of a meta tag can have any textual matter related to the name. Answer content. The dash dash attribute of a meta tag specifies the character encoding used by the document. Answer charset. The dash dash attribute of a meta tag is used for the HTTP response message headers. Answer HTTP equi. Meta HTTP equi is equal to dash dash. The page will get refresh after every 5 seconds. Answer refresh. Meta HTTP equi is equal to dash dash browse sends the cookies back to the server. Example set cookies. Meta HTTP equi is equal to dash dash specifies the character encoding for the document. Answer content type. Meta HTTP equi is equal to dash dash page season will get expire at a specified date and time. Answer expire. Cascading style sheet HTML. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Dash dash can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Answer CSS cascading style sheet. Dash dash allow you to control the look and feel of several pages by changing a sign. Source. Answer CSS cascading style sheet. A dash dash rule set contains a selector and a declaration block. Answer CSS cascading style sheet. Dash dash indicates a HTML element you want to style. Answer selector. The dash dash block can contain or more declarations separates by a semicolon. Answer declaration. Each declaration contains a property name and value separated by dash dash colon. A dash dash type is a type of attribute of HTML element. A property. Dash dash are assigned to CSS properties. Answer value. There are dash dash method of implementing style information to an HTML document. Answer 3. Answer 3. Yes. The dash dash style sheets uses to style attribute in the HTML start tag. Answer inline. Dash dash CSS is used to apply CSS as an single line of element. Answer inline style sheetचा वापर केला जातो. त्याच्यानंतर dash dash style sheet is used to apply CSS a single document or page. Internal पूर्ण page. Internal CSS is written inside dash dash tag within head section of HTML च्या head section मध्ये स्टाईल ह्या टॅगचा वापर करून इंटरनल स्टाईल शीट आपण यूज करतो. स्टाईल the dash dash style sheet is used when you want to make a change on multiple pages. एक्सटर्नल स्टाईल शीटचा वापर केला जातो. द डॅश डॅश स्टाईल शीट्स facilities to change the look of the entire website by changing just one file. एक्सटर्नल स्टाईल शीटचा वापर पूर्ण वेबसाईटवरती इफेक्ट आणण्यासाठी केला जातो. एक्सटर्नल स्टाईल शीट uses dash dash tag on every page. Link. In external CSS dash dash tag is placed inside head section. हेड सेक्शनमध्ये कुठला एक्सटर्नल CSS टॅग यूज केला जातो तर लिंक. एक्सटर्नल स्टाईल शीट कॅन बी रिटन इन टेक्स्ट एडिटर अँड मस्ट बी सेव्ड विथ डॅश डॅश एक्सटेन्शन. .css ने सेव्ह केला जातो एक्सटर्नल स्टाईल शीट, कारण तो अख्ख्या वेबसाईटवरती आपण इफेक्ट मारण्यासाठी करतो. द डॅश डॅश CSS फाईल शुड नॉट कंटेन एनी HTML टॅग. एक्सटर्नल CSSचा जो काही प्रकार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये HTML टॅग अजिबात यूज केला जात नाही. In CSS property changes the color of the text. Color property. The dash dash property is used to set background color in web page. Answer: background color. The dash dash property is used to make the text bold. Font weight. लक्षात ठेवा, बी नाही वापरलं जात. प्रॉपर्टी ही टॅग असन, बी टॅग असन, पण ही प्रॉपर्टी कुठली? फॉन्ट वेट नावाची प्रॉपर्टी वापरली जाते टेक्स्टला बोल्ड करण्यासाठी. त्याच्यानंतर टेक्स्टला इटॅलिक करण्यासाठी फॉन्ट स्टाईल ही प्रॉपर्टी वापरली जाते. त्याच्यानंतर मार्क, अंडरलाईन, ओव्हरलाईन ह्याच्या सगळ्यासाठी कुठली प्रॉपर्टी वापरली जाते? तर टेक्स्ट डिकॉर्डेशन ही प्रॉपर्टी वापरली जातं. नंतर कुठली प्रॉपर्टी वापरली जाते? हॉरिझॉन्टल अलाइनमेंट ऑफ एनी ब्लॉक लेवल टेक्स्टसाठी. तर टेक्स्ट अलाइन नावाची प्रॉपर्टी, मी टॅग म्हणत नाही, टॅग वेगळेत आणि प्रॉपर्टी वेगळी, ही प्रॉपर्टी यूज केली जाते. त्याच्यानंतर द डॅश डॅश प्रॉपर्टी इज यूज टू कंट्रोल द फोंट फॅमिली नावाची जी प्रॉपर्टी, तिचा वापर केला जातो. त्याच्यानंतर द डॅश डॅश प्रॉपर्टी अलाउज यू टू कंट्रोल द साईज ऑफ द फोंट साईजची कुठली प्रॉपर्टी आहे की फोंटचा आकार, फोंटची साईज मेंटेन करण्यासाठी वापरला जातो तो फोंट साईज. द डॅश डॅश प्रॉपर्टी हेल्प्स टू कंट्रोलिंग द हॉरिझॉन्टल स्केलिंग बिटवीन कॅरेक्टर ऑफ टेक्स्ट. लेटर स्पेसिंग, दोन लाईनमधल्या किंवा लेटरमधला जो काही स्पेसचा कमी जास्त, तर लेटर स्पेसिंग LETTER स्पेसिंग ही प्रॉपर्टी वापरली जाते. कुठल्या प्रॉपर्टीचा वापर केला जातो? पॅडिंगसाठी, तर पॅडिंग नावाच्या प्रॉपर्टीचा वापर केला जातो. द डॅश डॅश प्रॉपर्टी ॲड्स अ बॉर्डर टू अ वेब पेज एलिमेंट. बॉर्डर नावाच्या प्रॉपर्टीचा वापर केला जातो. द डॅश डॅश प्रॉपर्टी इज यूज टू सेट अन इमेज ॲज द बॅकग्राऊंड ऑफ वेब पेज. बॅकग्राऊंड डॅश इमेज ह्या प्रॉपर्टीचा वापर करून आपण काय करतो? इमेजसाठी बॅकग्राऊंड ठेवत असतो. द डॅश डॅश प्रॉपर्टी यूज मार्जिन एरिया ऑन द लेफ्ट साईड ऑफ एलिमेंट. मार्जिन लेफ्ट नावाच्या प्रॉपर्टीचा वापर केला जातो. द डॅश डॅश सिलेक्ट्स द ID ॲट्रिब्यूट ऑफ एन STL एलिमेंट टू सिलेक्ट अ स्पेसिफिक एलिमेंट. ID प्रॉपर्टीचा. अँड डॅश डॅश इज ऑलवेज युनिक within the page, so it is unique element. ID is written with the dash dash character followed by the ID name hash. The dash dash selector selects HTML elements with a specific class attribute. Class selector. The class selector is used with dash dash character allowed by the class more period. The dash dash selector is used when you want to change a group of element within HTML page. class एक सिलेक्टर म्हणून यूज केला जातो. द डॅश डॅश सिलेक्टर इज यूज टू वाइल्ड कार्ड कॅरेक्टर युनिव्हर्सल. द डॅश डॅश सिलेक्टर इज यूज टू सिलेक्ट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स विथ द सेम स्टाईल डिफायनेशन. ग्रुपिंग नावाचा सिलेक्टर वापर केला जातो सगळे सेम स्टाईलमधले एलिमेंट्स सिलेक्ट करण्यासाठी. इन ग्रुपिंग सिलेक्टर डॅश डॅश आर यूज टू सेपरेट इच सिलेक्टर कॉमास. नंतर इन CSS डॅश डॅश प्रॉपर्टी इज यूज टू सेट पोझिशन फॉर अन एलिमेंट. पोझिशन प्रॉपर्टीचा वापर केला जातो. देर आर डॅश डॅश टाईप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज इन CSS. 4 प्रकारच्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत. नाही, पोझिशनिंग इन CSS मध्ये किती पोझिशनिंग आहेत? 4 आहेत. द डॅश डॅश पोझिशनिंग इज नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय द टॉप, बॉटम, लेफ्ट अँड राईट प्रॉपर्टीज. स्टॅटिक. द डॅश डॅश पोझिशनिंग इज डिफॉल्ट पोझिशन फॉर HTML एलिमेंट. स्टॅटिक पोझिशनचाच कुठल्या गोष्टीवरती इफेक्ट होत नाही आहे, म्हणून स्टॅटिक पोझिशनच ही डिफॉल्ट पोझिशन आहे HTML एलिमेंटची. आता द डॅश डॅश पोझिशनिंग हेल्प्स टू पुट द टेक्स्ट फिक्स्ड ऑन द ब्राउझरवरती टेक्स्ट फिक्स करण्यासाठी कुठली पोझिशनिंग वापरली जाते CSS मधली? तर फिक्स्ड. द डॅश डॅश प्रॉपर्टी फोर्सेस अन एलिमेंट इनटू अ फिक्स्ड पोझिशनिंग रिलेटेड टू द ब्राउझर विंडो. फिक्स. द डॅश डॅश पोझिशनिंग प्रॉपर्टी इज यूज टू सेट द एलिमेंट रिलेटेड टू इट normal position. Relative. The dash dash positioning property sets an element in a specific location and it is not affected by the flow of the page. Absolute. The dash dash is a CSS property written in CSS file or directly in the style of an element. Float. Dash dash keeps the element float on left side of the container. Float double dot left. The dash dash keeps the element float on right side of container. Float right. Dash dash is a default property which shows the element as it is. Float none. The dash dash property in CSS defines how the components are going to be placed on the web page. Answer display. Dash dash property is used to display an element as an inline element. Display inline. Dash dash property is used to display an element as an block element. Display block. The property is used to width and height block line. Using dash dash property, the element is completely removed. None. The dash dash tag defines an ordered list OL. The dash dash list can be numeric or alphabetical. Ordered. The dash dash attribute of OL tag specifies the numeric type of the use atom. Value. The dash dash attribute of OL tag specifies that the item of the list are specified in the reverse order. Reversed. The dash dash attribute of OL tag specifies the starting number of the first item. Answer start. Dash dash list is also called as a numbered list. Ordered. An attribute list of created using tag dash dash ul tag. Dash dash list is also called an bullet list. Unordered. The each list item starts with dash dash tag li. The dash dash attribute of ul tag sets the list item marked to disk, circle or square type. The definition list dash dash tag is used DL. The dash dash tag is used to define the item term DT. The dash dash used to define terms definition DD. The list within another list is called dash dash list. Nested. MPEG stands for Moving Pictures Experts Group. AAC stands for Advanced Audio Coding. The dash dash element enables to enable or add audio file and web page audio. Using dash dash attribute of audio tag, the audio will start playing as soon as it is ready. Autoplay. The dash dash attribute of audio tag define the audio control should be displayed. Control. The dash dash attribute of audio tag sets the audio will start over again every time it is finished. Loop. The dash dash attribute of audio tag specifies that the audio output should be muted. The dash dash attribute of audio tag specifies the URL of audio file src. The dash dash attribute is used to add audio controls such as play, pause and volume. Answer controls. The dash dash tag is used to specify multiple media resources for media element. Answer source. The dash dash tag is used to embed video into web page. Video. The dash dash attribute defines the link of a video src. The dash dash attribute specifies that the video will start playing as soon as it is ready. Autoplay. Answer autoplay. The dash dash attribute specifies that video controls should be displayed. Answer controls. The dash dash attribute sets the height of the video player. Height. The dash dash attribute specifies that the video will start over again every time is finished. Loop. The dash dash attribute specifies that the audio output of the video should be mute. Answer muted. The dash dash attribute an image to be shown while the video is downloading. Answer is a poster. The dash dash attribute specifies if and how the attribute thinks the video shown be looked when the file page load. Period. The dash dash attribute sets the width of the video player width. An image with multiple hyperlinks is called an image map. Dash dash is used to connect links to different regions on the web page. Large map. The clickable region of image map is called as hotspots. The dash dash tag is used to insert an image on a web page. Image. To create a client-side image map, dash dash attribute of img tag is used. Answer use map. Use map attribute of image tag is used with value which is prepared with a dash dash symbol hash. The dash dash attribute acts as a pointer which indicates that the image is a client-side image map. Use map. The dash dash tag is used to map the image. Answer map. The dash dash attribute of map tag specifies name of the image used for client-side image map. Answer name. Dash dash tag define the specific clickable region. Answer area. The dash dash attribute of a area tag defines the URL of to which the clickable region within the image map navigators. Answer href. The dash dash attribute defines the shape as a rect, circle or poly. Shape attribute है. The dash dash attribute specifies coordinates of the clickable region on the image map. Chords. The dash dash attribute specifies extra information about clickable area. Answer alt. The dash dash element create an inline frame. Answer iframe. The dash dash frames are often used to online advertising. Answer inline. The dash dash attribute specifies the address of the document to embedded in the frame iframe src. The dash dash attribute specifies the height of an iframe height. The dash dash attribute specifies the width of an iframe width. The dash dash attribute specifies name of an iframe name. The dash dash attribute specifies the HTML content of the page to show in the iframe. SR code SRDOC. Website is made available on the internet with the help of web hosting. The dash dash the service of providing storage space. Answer web hosting. The companies that provide web hosting services are called web hosts. The dash dash own the image with server web host. Dash dash hosting gives domain name to your website shared. A dash dash are a paid hosting server for large website. Answer dedicated hosting. The dash dash provide you free hosting of the website for limited period of time. Answer free hosting. True false advanced web designing. HTML stand for hypertext markup language. Answer true. HTML is an evolving language with different versions supporting different features. Answer true. Google Chrome does not support the features of HTML. Answer false. Microsoft Edge Safari browser support the features of HTML5. Answer true. The radio checkbox acts are the controls used to collect user inputs. Answer true. Input type is equal to color defines a color picker. Answer true. Input type number define a field for entering URL. Answer false. Input type URL define a field for entering URL. Answer true. Input type image define an image as a submit button. Answer true. Input type date define a date picker with year, month and a day. Answer true. Input type email defines a field for entering number. Answer false. Input type month define a month and year control. Answer true. Input type range define a range control. Answer true. Default range of a range control is 100 ते 200. Answer false. Input type date time local define a date picker that includes the year, day and time. Answer true. Input type time define a control of entering a week. Answer false. Input type week define a week and year control. Answer true. Input type search define a text field for entering a search string. Answer true. Input type file define a file select field and a browse button for file uploads. Answer true. Input type tail used to define input field should be disabled. Answer false. Embedded attribute specifies an input field should be disabled. Answer false. Max attribute specifies the maximum value for an input field. Answer true. Min attribute specifies the minimum value for an input field. Answer true. Pattern attribute specifies a regular expressions to check the input value. Answer true. Read only attribute specifies then an input file is read on. Answer false. Placeholder attribute acts as a temporary label showing the purpose of a text field without requiring a label tag. Answer true. Require attribute specifies then an input field must be filled out. Answer true. Autocomplete attribute specifies that the input field should automatically get focus when the page loads. False. Autofocus attribute specifies whatever input field should have autocomplete on or off. Answer false. Height and width attribute specifies the height and width of an input type image. Answer true. Multiple attribute works with input type text and image. Answer false. Multiple attribute specifies that the user is allowed to enter more than one value is the input element. Answer true. ID attribute is used to identify the element uniquely through the document object model. Answer true. Class attribute is used to apply CSS style to the individual input element. True. Meta tag is used to search engine to search information that is provided with the web page. Answer true. Meta tag is a paired tag. Answer false. Meta tag used in placed between title and title tag. Answer false. Meta tag will not be displayed on the web page. Answer true. Control attribute of meta tag cannot have any external matter related to the name. False. Charset attribute of meta tag specifies the character encoding used by the document. Answer true. Meta charset TUF8 is Indian character. Answer true. Meta tag BIG5 is a Chinese character. Answer true. HTTP equi attribute of meta tag is used for HTTP season messages headers. Answer true. Meta HTTP equi is equal to refresh control is equal to 5. Here the page will get refresh after every 5 seconds. Answer true. Meta HTTP equi content type content is equal to text HTML char set is equal to big 5 specifies the character decoding of the document. Answer false. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on a screen. True. CSS cannot control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Answer false. CSS allows you to control the look and feels of several pages by changing a single source. Answer true. A CSS rule set contains a selector and a declaration block. Answer true. Selector indicates the HTML element you want to style. True. The declaration block can contain one or more declarations separated by a semicolon. True. Each declaration contains a property name and value separated by a semicolon. Answer false. A property is a type of attribute of HTML element. True. Value are assigned to CSS property. True. There are 4 methods to implementing styling information to a HTML document. Answer false. Inline style sheet used to style attribute in the HTML start page. True. Inline CSS is used to apply CSS in multiple lines of elements. False. ट्रू. दोन उत्तर आहेत त्याची, फॉल्स आणि ट्रू. Internal style sheet is also known as embedded style sheet. True. Internal CSS is used to apply CSS on a single document or page. True. Internal CSS cannot affect all the elements of a page. False. Internal CSS is written inside style tag within head section. True. The color property changes the background color of the web page. Answer false. Background color property is used to set the background color in your web page. True. Font weight property is used to make the text bold. Answer true. Font style property is used to italicize text. Answer true. Text documentation property is used to add strike through, makes, underline, overline, etc. True. The text align property is used to control the vertical alignment of any block level text. Answer false. Font family property is used to control the fonts. True. Font size property allows you to control the size of the font. Answer true. Letter spacing property helps in controlling the horizontal spacing between character to text. True. Padding property is used when you want to remove blank space around the content of an element. Answer false. Border property adds a border to a web page element. Answer true. Background image property is used to set an image as a background of your web page. Answer true. Multiple left property sets the margin area on the left side of the element. Answer true. External style sheet is used when you want to make changes on multiple pages. Answer true. Internal style sheets of facilities to change the look of entire website by changing one file. False. External CSS uses link tag. Answer true. Link tag is placed inside body Section false. Internal CSS file must be saved with the CSS extension. True. External CSS file should contain HTML tag. False. The ID selector selects the ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. True. An ID is a unique element. True. ID is written with hash character followed by ID name. Answer true. Hash ABC color red is example of ID selector. True. Class selector selects HTML elements with a specific class attribute. True. Class selector is used with a period character. True. Class name should start with a number. False. The class selector is used when you want to change a group of elements within your HTML page. True. ABC color blue is example of class selector. True. Dot ABC. The universal selector is used as a wildcard character. True. Universal selector selects single elements on the web page. False. Grouping selector is used to select element with different style definition. False. Commas are used to separate each selector in grouping. True. H1 H2 B color pink is example of class selector. False. The position property is used to set position for an element. True. The element can be positioned using the top button, left and right properties. True. Value in positioning are fixed, absolute or relative. Answer true. There are 4 types of positioning in CSS. True. Static positioning is default positioning for HTML element. True. Static positioning is affected by the top, bottom, left and right properties. False. Fixed positioning properties helps to put the text fixed on a browser. True. The fixed element will move even when the page is scrolled. False. The static property focus an element into a fixed position relative to the down window, browser window. False. Relative positioning property is used to set the element relative to its normal positioning. Answer true. Absolute positioning property sets an element in a specific location and it is not affected by the flow of the page. True. Absolute property positioning property position the element at the specific coordinate relative to the screen top right corner. False. Float property is written in CSS file or directs in the style of an element. True. The float property defines the flow of content. True. पेज 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 52 पेजेस टोटली काय करणार. आपण 22वे पेज पाहत होतो. व्हिडिओ खूप मोठा होईल त्यामुळं काय करावं, ऑलरेडी 40 मिनिटाचा व्हिडिओ झालेला आहे. 22 पेजेस. तर 22 पेजेसच्या नंतरचा जो व्हिडिओ आहे तो आपण पार्ट 2 मध्ये घेऊ.